Today we are going to be making a timeline just similar to this one. And it doesn't come out like this. I already had it set up, so it's been like this for a while. But if you refresh, it's going to do this animation, which is pretty cool. And of course, the link to the tutorial will be in the description below, like all the references I found. And okay, let's get started. Okay, so unlike many of my other projects, this doesn't have JavaScript. We don't need JavaScript for this. It doesn't have like any fancy button clicking or like anything like that in the interactive map video like that. And so first we're going to have our skeleton out. So here's the skeleton of the HTML. And first let's give it a title, timeline. Then put, oh yeah, I forgot we don't need this because there's no JavaScript. Yay. This is only gonna be one video because it's gonna be so easy. It's just CSS, guys. Isn't that great? Okay, so now we really shouldn't have anything. But the next step is to create a heading because we need headings to define. Okay, so first we want to create, not first, a class called timeline for the CSS so we can link everything in there, and everything's going to be inside this div. All of the timeline stuff. Yeah. Anyways. Okay, I'm being really awkward. Right now we're going to create a container left. And then I think I'm just gonna like make a skeleton of this. And kind of just never mind. It's just like this involves a lot of copy pasting. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. That's the whole thing. Just need the container. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend This is for like extra description. So this is like the title of it's the date. It's more like the date. And then this is like the title, the subject, and then this is the description. You get that? Cool. So you can add as much as you want. I'm only gonna do like a few to show you. And nope, I don't want come on. Okay, yes. And now we really just like type something. Let's just do yay. Okay. And we want to alternate between left and right, so all of the information isn't crammed on one side. Makes sense, right? Okay, yep. 2 minus minus 2. Okay, yep, here we have our perfect. So let's go here. Yay! Look at that. We have our heading and then our should be boxes. So Okay, so now we're going to start with our CSS, which is mainly going to be the bulk of the video. There we go. Wow, that's perfect. Body, not border. Okay, yeah, background color. Background color is going to be, I just like this, it's kind of like a grayish green, if you're wondering what that is. I'll show you once we're done. Like maybe for font family, maybe that is really good. I don't know, I really like the monospace fonts. It's just, they're cool. And for heading, let's align it to the center. Enter! Yes. Let's color it white, and you may have to adjust these settings according to what you like. Okay. Yay, that's much better. Look at this awesome green. I don't know, this green looks pretty cool. Also, we're setting all the text to white so you can actually see what's going on, because the background's kind of dark. And now we're going to work on the actual timeline itself. So that's fun. Give me a second. That's not how you do it. There you go. It's a class. Position relative. Max width. That. Margin 0 auto. And now this is the timeline after. Work with me, please. Okay, there we go. I kind of like having the space. I'm picky, I know. Okay, so this thing is going to have no content because it is a line. Left 50%. Margin left. Oh, and it's gonna be this. Haha. And now, let's see what we got. Yay! Don't worry, it's actually going to show up later. As long as nothing like crashes or nothing goes wrong, we're fine. Okay, so for now, can I type please? Okay, this is the container. I don't know what commentary to put here. Our background color will be inherit. And the width, 50%. I mean, I love how like the coding softwares, when you like type something down and then like the software's just like, oh, do you want this, and then you can select it and you can enter it. The thing is, I'm not used to having that. Yeah, it's just like, it's weird for me. It's a new, like, I first knew and started using it recently. So, haha. And now we're going to position our containers. Okay, for left it's gonna be that. For the right, it's gonna be left 50, 50, 50%. There we go. Oh yeah, and one more thing I may or may not have forgotten is to add something relatively important. So I'm just gonna select all of this and tab it in one. There we go. So now we can have a div class equals content. And there we go. It's just a small mishap. Oh, did I really indent everything? Well, I didn't mean to do that. Let's just go ahead and pretend that never happened. I am going to indent in these though. So then, this is going to be important, so the thing knows that it's going to be the content. Okay, I'm going to indent all of these. Oh. There we go. Okay. Okay. Why do I keep on saying K a lot? It's just like something that you subconsciously say. It's like a normal thing that you just randomly say for no reason. It's like when you agree with something, but like you say K instead of okay. Probably because like it's faster. That's pretty interesting. Or maybe not. Because maybe some people know why we say K instead of okay. Okay, now we have another content. Okay, I mean container. Oops. Contain. Ugh. I had something weird. I don't know, I think I had something in my throat that I didn't want to go down, I think. So robotic. Okay, let's save. Can I like okay. Well, that's how you know something went wrong. Maybe I forgot to put something. 1 second. Maybe it could be here. Forgot the minus. Maybe it's because I forgot to add the circles. We'll see. Content. None. Position. Absolute. Width. And height. Right. Background color white. Border 4 pixels. Solid. This color. Here we go. Top 15 pixels. Border radius 50, not 60, 50%. Okay, as of right now, I just want to see what that does. Okay, perfect. Something showed up. So hip hip hooray, I missed a lot of steps. Is it? Left before content height 0 position absolute top 22 pixels width 0 z index 1 right 30 pixels border medium solid white border width please. I can't type width anymore. It's weird. Okay. Now, the right one's basically the same, only with a small change, like some small changes. And that should be it. Now, right after. Funny thing is, I skipped a lot of steps. So, haha, that's my bad. But now we're doing them now. And as long as we get it done, it's okay. What's okay? I cannot spell width. Okay, left, after. Gonna include right, after. There you go. Left, 15 pixels. Okay, right. There you go. Left. There you go. And just to make sure, we're gonna add one more thing. Let me spell width for once. So I'm gonna go ahead and tab everything that's in here. There you go. Much better. I'm gonna go ahead and so I don't want it to be too crampy. I think this is the step that I missed. And it's quite a large step. Haha. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, better. I still need you, the purple circle thingy, to actually cooperate and be in the middle. Is this why you always check your spelling? Let's see what that does. One typo can mess up everything. I bet it's like a typo for these circles too. I bet you it's a typo. Guess who made a typo? Haha. That's so funny. Where are you going? Excuse me. Why are you there? Okay, turns out I'm not in the mood for coding. Oh my. I think I also messed up this part. It's called debugging. Yay! Now to get those triangles to show up. This is probably irrelevant, but what if I try doing that? I think I know. It's right here. Okay, let's see. Yay! Now time to fix the right one. Man, this video has a lot of debugging. I also forgot this. Let's see. Yay! We did it! So this is the standard timeline. I'm gonna fix that. Why is it, how dare it miss an X? Okay, now it's time to work on the fun stuff. The thing to make it move. Cause that's the point, right? It's supposed to move. Look at that. See, that's the point. So, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so, I'm gonna come back up here. And animation. Move line, we're gonna define that later. And this move, so the timing, you can probably like start off with like 20 or something like that, and then adjust it to your preference. Keyframes. And height is going to be 100% when that is 100%. Fitting, right? Okay, now for this. For this one, it is recommended that you do 1 second. It just feels better. Never mind, it's gonna be 0. Oopsie. Okay, at keyframes, move down. Okay, did that a little bit too early. Tarn's late. Don't forget the pixels. That's gonna ruin everything. Now, probably the most tedious part, if you're doing a lot of them, a lot of copy pasting. Since I'm only doing 1 though, it should be fine. What did I say 1? I meant 3. Oops. Now we want this to happen immediately. Okay, now time to copy paste. Okay. Oh, there you go. And honestly, that should be it. Let's see. Okay, let's go. The line is a snail, which is weird because for my initial project, it was working. I guess this time, like, the boxes are so small than my other project. It just needs to go fast. Let's see. It's still going. It's still too slow. How? Okay, maybe these boxes are quite slow. Maybe like that. No! What? Okay. 2 seconds. There's no way. Okay, now that's too fast. Well, maybe like 3 seconds. Right in the middle. That's not in the middle. Oops. Yeah, it's perfect. See? We have our ending. Yay! And so that is how you make an animated timeline with only HTML and CSS. No JavaScript involved. Here, let me show you again. See, so it's just the bulk of it is in CSS. Like, this is what the CSS looks like. Should look like anyway. Normally the bulk of it is in JavaScript because CSS is mainly for styling, but like we want a thing to be animated and animation is styling. Yes! Anyways, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!